Hi everyone, I've created a special collection of 10 easy hairstyles. This is hairstyle number 1. This hairstyle was designed especially for shorter hair. Okay, let's have a look at how the style was done. Okay, let's take the hair into a very low ponytail. Now, I did tong the hair, so the hair's just got a very slight wave to it, and I'm going to pull all the hair back into a low ponytail. Now I'm going to pull at the hair to create a very soft texture. I want quite a disheveled look, and you can put that parting wherever you want. I'm just leaving a little bit of hair down. Now I'm going to take a little topsy tail. There we go. I'm going to place that in and under the ponytail along the scalp. Now I'm going to tuck all of the tails there into the little circle. There we go. Place it in, and we're going to pull that through. Now, it looks like I'm pulling it really hard, but I'm really not. It's quite gentle. I just sort of move it around, shake it a little bit until it comes out. Then what I do is I start to pull at the tails to cover over the elastic and to create a soft texture down at the nape of the neck. Now just start playing with it, add your hair grips in to hold, and this is a really beautiful little hairstyle. Perfect for someone who's got quite short hair. Look at that there now. Just a very soft, textured chignon. So once again, this hairstyle would be perfect for shorter hair, sort of shoulder length hair, or indeed longer if you want to. This would be a beautiful hairstyle, just very, very simple, but the emphasis is very much at the nape of the neck.